Add-on modules, RF Foundation Pro. Single, bucket, and block foundations for all resulting support forces can be designed with the add-on module, Foundation Pro. In addition to the designs according to Eurocode 2, geotechnical designs are performed according to EN 1997 Section 1. Initial parameters such as the soil profile, reinforcement, and material settings as well as the loadings are defined in clearly arranged dialog boxes. The resulting reinforcement of foundation can be displayed as a detailed reinforcement drawing and as a 3D rendered model. The results of the calculations are perfectly suited for further documentation and project management.